So over here you can see that I got a bunch of text. And if you want to replace out certain text, then you can easily do so. So let's say I want to replace the word text right here with capital text right here. So in order to do that, you can go around into edit, and over here you can see replace is an option. Once you click on replace, what happens is that this is what pops up. So you can go around and let's say I want to replace out the word text right here as capital text, just like this. So I can replace out, and what happens is that it gets replaced out one by one. Or if you want to replace out everything, then you can simply click on replace all. And now you can see all of the word text has been turned into capital right here. Similarly, let's say I want to go around, replace the word notepad right here. So I want to replace the word notepad as, let's say, for example, notepad as with a space. So right here, I'm going to go around and type in notepad and click on replace all. And now you can see that it has been replaced out right here. Similarly, you can also go around right here, type in notepad, and let's say I want to replace it with the word TutorTube right here. Click on replace all, and it'll be replaced out with the word TutorTube, as you can see right here. So that is how you can use the replace option inside of Notepad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.